Hello everyone, let's provide a solution given this nice exponential equation. First of all, take 1 second to subscribe to this channel, okay? So let's dive into the video. Now, solution to this exponential equation. So 3 to the power x multiplied by 3 to the power x, this is actually in the form of 8 to the power n multiplied by 8 to the power m, which we can express as 8 to the power n plus m, okay? So applying this indices identity, we'll have 3 to the power x plus x. This should give us a value of 72. So this means that 3 to the power, this is the same as 3, x plus x, this is 2x, which is equal to 72. Now, to solve for the value of x, we introduce the natural logarithm on both sides as follows. This is log 3 to the power 2x. This is equal to log 72. Alright, no, so log 3 to the power 2x, this is actually in the form of log 8 to the power n, which you can express as n log a, okay? So applying this power rule property of logarithm, log 3 to the power 2x becomes 2x log 3. This is actually equal to log 72. So let's divide both sides by log 3, okay, by log 3, so that now we'll have 2x, this is equal to log 72, okay, divided by log 3. Okay, so let's proceed. We have 2x is equal to log 72 divided by log 3. We can express 72 as basically 9 multiplied by 8, whereby we can express 9 again. 9 can be expressed as 3 to the power 2, and 8 can be expressed as 2 to the power 3. Now, substituting this, we'll have 2x. This is equal to log 3 to the power 2 multiplied by 2 to the power 3 divided by log 3. Okay, now log 3 to the power 2 multiplied by 2 to the power 3, actually this is in the form of log a multiplied by b, which you can express as log a plus log b. Now applying this property, we'll have 2x, this is equal to log 3 to the power 2 divided by log 3 plus log 2 to the power 3 divided by log 3. Okay, now let's proceed further. We'll have 2x, this is equal to log 3 to the power 2, applying the power rule property, this becomes 2 log 3 divided by log 3 plus log 2 to the power 3, which becomes 3 log 2 divided by log 3, right? So let's simplify here. We'll have log 3 and log 3 simplifies, so that we'll have 2x, this is equal to 2 plus, now this is 3, all right? Log 2 divided by log 3, this is actually in the form of log a divided by log b, okay? Which essentially is supposed to give us log a to base b. Now applying this property, we'll have 2x is equal to 2 plus 3 log 2 to base 3. So let's divide both sides by 2, okay? So that now we'll have x is equal to, this is 2 and 2 simplifies, so actually this is 1 plus, now this is 3 over 2 log 2 to base 3. Okay, so x is equal to 1 plus 3 over 2 log 2 to base 3. Now this is the value of x. Let's verify if this value of x actually satisfies the, verify that the value of x, which is 1 plus 3 over 2 log 2 to base 3, actually satisfies the equation. Now if you recall, we end that 3 to the power x multiplied by 3 to the power x, this is actually supposed to give us a value of 72. Now we simplify this further to 3 to the power 2x, this should give us a value of 72. Now substituting the value of x in this case, we'll have 3 to the power 2 x is 1 plus 3 over 2 log 2 to base 3. This should give us a value of 72. Let's check if this is true. Okay, so let's open the parentheses. We'll have 2 times 1, this is 2, plus, now 2 times 3 over 2 log 2 to base 3. This is the same thing as 3 log 2 to base 3. This should give us a value of 72. Now, as you can see, 3 raised to power 2 plus 3 log 2 to power 3. This is actually in the form of a to power n plus m, which we can express as a to power n multiplied by a to power m. Now, applying this property, we'll have 3 to power 2 multiplied by 3 to power 3 log 2 to base 3. This should give us a value of 72. Now, 3 to power 2, this is the same thing as 9 multiplied by, now 3 to power 3 log 2 to power 3, this is the same thing as 3 to power log 2 to power 3. This is actually the power, so we'll have 2 to power 3 to base 3. This should give us a value of 72. Okay, now 3 to power log 2 cubed to base 3, this is in the form of m to power log a to base m, which should give us a value of a. Okay, and from what we have here, so 3 to power log, okay, 2 to power 3 to base 3, this should give us a value of 2 to power 3. And what is 2 to power 3? 2 to power 3, this is basically equal to 8. So now we'll have 9 multiplied by 8. This should give us a value of 72. Okay, and it's true that 9 times 8, this is equal to 72, which is equal to 72. So that means the left-hand side is equal to right-hand side, and that affirms that the value of x, which is 1 plus 3 over 2 log 2 to base 3, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps. Like this video, please like this video and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.